Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. We are going to have you having a giveaway in this video. Giveaways are really easy. You must watch the video in its entirety. Be subscribed and like it, and somewhere in here will be a secret word that you're going to need to know. That's it. I do also have a couple more days left. Is the every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. So it's the Ciate London Editor's Palette New England. That's the eyeshadow that we're going to give away for the month of December. Information for that, as well as my many other giveaways, are in the description box down below. What I have on my eyes right now is the Juvia's Place Disco Party Fumi palette. And I did a review of this one as well as the Melissa one by Juvia's in my last video. If you haven't checked it out, make sure to go take a look at it. So this is the December iPsy Glam Bag. I do have a code for iPsy. It'll help you out. It kind of helps me out a little bit as well in future purchases. I can't wait to find out what's in here. I only know my choice item, which I really like. So I'm excited to see what the rest are. Figure out which one we're doing for a giveaway for you guys. So this does say home for the holidays. It's where the heart and fun is rock, and those festive playlists don a red lip. Indulge in what you love with who you love and what the holidays are all about. Joy to the world. Let the merriment begin with your 5 new Glam Bag products valued at over $50. The first thing in here is kind of this like teddy bear type bag. Could be a wristlet too. It's got this maroon inside with the iPsy logo here. Cute. The first item is from Pure Lease. It is a Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Adore Serum. You may already have a go-to eye cream, but have you met eye serums? This one is infused with Blue Lotus extract, a potent antioxidant with anti-inflammatory benefits to protect and calm the skin, plus marine plant extracts and peptides that help hydrate, brighten, and smooth. Tip, gently pat the serum around your eye, alone or layered under your favorite eye cream. The MSRP of this, because this is a deluxe size sample, the MSRP of the full size is $48. I've never heard of an eye serum before. Have you guys? Let me know in the comments down below. Looking forward to trying this one. From Estate Cosmetics is a precision liquid liner in black. And whether you want to create thick lines, thin lines, or something in between, this versatile liquid liner has got you covered. The ultra fine tip makes it easy for super precise, even if you're a liquid liner newbie. And long-lasting formula won't smear or fade throughout the day. Tip, store your tip liners upside down to keep them from drying out. This is the full size. It does retail for $12. What the packaging looks like. Here's what the line looks like. Let's give it a little bit to dry and then see if it'll smudge or not. Next is my choice item. You know I love Sunday Riley. This is the A++ high dose retinoid serum. Guys, I love this. I've got a full bottle over there. Love it. This says, can't decide between traditional retinols or natural retinol alternatives. This powerhouse serum uses a 6.5% retinol blend to help improve signs of aging and environmental damage in clear congested skin. Plus, Hawaiian white honey calms down and balances. Tip, smooth on 1 to 2 pumps over skin, then top it with hydrating serum or moisturizer. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $85. What I do for this, and I love these little sample sizes because I just throw them in my travel bag every other night. I don't do retinol every night because it's just too harsh for my skin. So about every other night I will do a retinol. From Feel Beauty is the enzymatic exfoliating cleanser. We didn't think you could bottle perfection until we met the super nourishing and gorgeous exfoliator. Enzymes bromelain and papain delivered from pineapple and papaya gently exfoliate, while pumpkin seed oil replenishes, and allantoin conditions and hydrates. So dreamy. Tip: rub cleanser in wet hands and massage onto your face in circular motions, then rinse. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $28. So always looking for a good cleanser. Have to check this one out. So it's been a couple minutes. Let's see if she smudges. Ooh, not smudging at all, and I am pressing pretty hard. So that's really, really cool from the Estate Cosmetics liner. Finally, from Violet Voss, a single eyeshadow in Nude Sparks. You want to wear this natural shadow 24/7. It's honestly the flattering and versatile. Plus, shimmery texture is smooth, blendable, and easy to apply, whether you're using your finger or an eyeshadow brush. Tip: sweep the shadow across your lids alone or as a base color with other shimmery shadows. Full-size palette that this is from does retail for $18. So I cannot get it out of the box with sharing it. Let me insert a picture here. Looks really, really pretty. It looks really versatile. Reason I don't want to tear this box is normally I'd show you guys, I would. If you see my past videos, I always show you. But I want to do this one as the giveaway for today's video, because I don't reach for single eyeshadows much, so I'd rather pass it on to one of you guys. So we've got New Year's Eve coming up this week. Let's have the secret word be New Year's. So like I said, I am happy to give this to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to put your YouTube name on there so I can see, yes, you are subscribed. And then also put on there the secret word. Remember to like this video and watch it in its entirety. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you. It is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, lost in transit, damage, anything extra that you have to have for it to get to you. If you want 2 extra bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beauty. AMA, A-M-A, and the letter B. And then if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here. So let's have this giveaway go through January 10th, and then January 13th. We'll do a little thing I call spin the wheel, and we will pick all of our winners that are ending on that date. So it was really fun last month, so I'm excited to do it again for this time. So if you have not liked and subscribed, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun group here. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.